Can one vegetable really contain more calcium than milk and more vitamin C than oranges? What if you could boost your brain power and slow down aging with just one daily serving of this miraculous green? Stay tuned until the end as we uncover groundbreaking research about kale and learn expert tips that could transform your health journey. Could this ancient green be the key to immortality? The history of kale dates back over 4,000 years to ancient Greece and Rome, where it was revered as a cure-all medicinal plant. Greek philosophers wrote extensively about its healing properties, while Roman soldiers consumed it to maintain their stamina during long marches. Archaeological evidence suggests that kale was one of the earliest cultivated vegetables in Europe, with traces found in Celtic settlements dating back to 600 BCE. During World War II, kale gained prominence in the Victory Gardens movement as it could thrive in harsh conditions and provide essential nutrients during food shortages. Today, kale remains a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, known for promoting longevity and cardiovascular health. The resilient nature of kale made it a survival crop during various historical famines, particularly in Scotland and Ireland, where it continues to be celebrated in traditional dishes. Why are doctors calling kale the new fountain of youth? Modern research from the National Institutes of Health reveals that kale contains powerful antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which actively protect against age-related eye diseases. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that consuming 1 cup of kale daily can reduce cellular aging markers. The high concentration of vitamin K in kale plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting, with just 1 cup providing over 600% of your daily requirement. Scientists at the University of California discovered that kale contains unique flavonoids that can help maintain cognitive function and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. The presence of sulforaphane, a potent anti-inflammatory compound, gives kale its cancer-fighting properties. Recent clinical trials have shown that regular kale consumption can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it an excellent food choice for diabetes prevention. Japanese researchers have identified specific compounds in kale that can activate longevity genes similar to those triggered by caloric restriction. Is the secret to perfect skin hidden in this green superfood? Dermatologists are increasingly recommending kale for its remarkable skin-enhancing properties. The vitamin C content in kale surpasses that of oranges, playing a vital role in collagen production and skin elasticity maintenance. A study in the Journal of Clinical Dermatology found that the omega-3 fatty acids in kale can help reduce skin inflammation and protect against UV damage. The high levels of vitamin A promote healthy cell turnover, while vitamin E provides additional protection against free radical damage. Beauty experts at leading cosmetic companies have started incorporating kale extract into premium skincare products after research showed its effectiveness in reducing fine lines. The mineral content, particularly copper and zinc, supports the natural wound healing process and helps maintain healthy skin barrier function. The combination of vitamins and minerals in kale also supports healthy hair growth and nail strength, making it a complete beauty food. How can one green supercharge your weight loss journey? Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that kale's high fiber content can significantly enhance weight loss efforts. Each cup contains only 33 calories, yet provides 3 grams of protein and 2.5 grams of fiber, which helps maintain satiety for longer periods. The unique combination of nutrients in kale supports metabolic health by regulating blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance. Studies from the Mayo Clinic demonstrate that the chlorophyll in kale can help reduce inflammation linked to obesity. The presence of alpha-linolenic acid and omega-3 fatty acid helps reduce belly fat, according to research from the University of Athens. Nutritionists highlight kale's ability to support liver function, which is crucial for fat metabolism and detoxification. Recent studies suggest that compounds in kale can activate brown fat cells, which burn more calories than regular fat cells. The magnesium content helps reduce water retention and bloating while supporting muscle function during exercise. Can this leafy green boost your brain power overnight? Neuroscientists at Harvard University have discovered that kale contains compounds that can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly nourish brain cells. The high concentration of antioxidants, particularly vitamin E and flavonoid, helps protect neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation. Research published in Neurology Today suggests that regular consumption of kale can improve memory and cognitive function in adults over 40. The vitamin K content has been linked to better brain plasticity and reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. The combination of iron and vitamin C in kale supports optimal oxygen delivery to the brain, enhancing mental clarity and focus. Modern research confirms that kale's nutrients can help reduce anxiety and improve mood through its positive effects on neurotransmitter production. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. Will this ancient green finally fix your sleep problems? The high calcium and magnesium content works together to produce calming effects on the nervous system, supporting better sleep quality. Studies have shown that the magnesium and calcium in kale may support better sleep quality by helping to relax muscles and regulate sleep-wake cycles. The potassium content helps prevent leg cramps and muscle tension that often disturb sleep. The vitamin B6 in kale plays a crucial role in regulating mood and sleep patterns, according to neurological studies. Sleep experts recommend consuming kale at least 3 hours before bedtime to maximize its sleep-enhancing benefits. Is your immune system begging for this super green? The high vitamin C content combined with antioxidants creates a powerful defense against viral and bacterial infections. Research has shown that glucosinolates in cruciferous vegetables like kale can be converted into bioactive compounds that may have beneficial effects on health, including supporting immune function. The selenium and zinc content supports the production of antibodies and immune cell function. The combination of vitamins A and C works synergistically to strengthen barrier immunity in the gut and respiratory system. Could this leaf be the secret to perfect heart health? Research has shown that flavonoids, compounds found in kale, may help support heart health through their antioxidant properties. The high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while the fiber aids in reducing bad cholesterol levels naturally. The magnesium content helps maintain healthy heart rhythm and reduces the risk of arrhythmias. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids and anti-inflammatory compounds helps prevent plaque buildup in arteries. Clinical studies demonstrate that kale's nutrients can help reduce homocysteine levels, a major risk factor for heart disease. Why are athletes swearing by this green for peak performance? The iron content enhances oxygen delivery to muscles, while its anti-inflammatory properties speed up recovery after intense workouts. Research in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition shows that kale's electrolyte profile helps prevent muscle cramps and maintains hydration during exercise. The amino acid profile supports muscle repair and growth, making it popular among modern bodybuilders. Recent studies reveal that kale's antioxidants can reduce exercise-induced oxidative stress and muscle damage. The combination of calcium and vitamin K supports bone density and joint health, crucial for long-term athletic performance. The hidden secrets about kale nobody tells you about. Growing kale in your garden is surprisingly easy, and frost actually improves its flavor by converting starches to natural sugars. Combining kale with citrus fruits or bell peppers maximizes iron absorption, while adding healthy fats like avocado boosts fat-soluble vitamin uptake. Store kale stems separately and juice them for an extra nutrient boost. Traditional preservation methods like making kale chips can maintain nutrients for months. Advanced meal prep tip: blanch and freeze kale in ice cube trays with olive oil for instant smoothie boosters. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Discover the life-changing benefits of garlic after 40, backed by science and ancient wisdom. Let's watch the next video here.